Hey guys, so we are traveling through the state of Texas.
It's a big one.
It is a big one.
I believe I ordered the large cappuccino. Look at the size of this thing.
The Frozen Margarita is the official unofficial cocktail of the state. You want to know why? Because it's pretty interesting.
It's actually a really, really cool story. Why don't you tell us about it?
We know Dallas is hot, so I guess it would make sense that a Frozen Margarita would be the cocktail. I just didn't expect it to be that way, but it was actually a bit of creative ingenuity. Is that how you say that?
Quite ingenuitive.
It was ingenuitous of Mariano Martinez in 1971. And what did he do, CJ?
Oh, I thought you were actually saying it.
I was actually saying
Oh. So Mariano had a famous restaurant here in Dallas, and he was actually known for his margaritas. Unfortunately, because it's so friggin' hot in this area.
What's the weather like out there? It's hot! Damn hot! Real hot!
His margaritas were melting too quickly, and he was losing the deliciousness of them. While he was at a gas station one day, he saw a Slurpee machine.
Where's the juice? No, where's the juice?
And he thought to himself, if we can do that with delicious sweet drinks, why not do it with a margarita? Therein lies the genius.
super genius. So Mariano in 1971 said, "Hey, margaritas, you shall be frozen."
From thus forward, you shall be frozen.
So that was fun learning about the Frozen Margarita and that cool historical fact. Yeah, it's really...
The more you know about margaritas.
The more you know. That was way off.
No, you can't hit that note. Since
So we're gonna find something that's a bit more Texas, a bit more
local,
grassroots, something local for sure. So we're gonna go check out our buddy Crayons over at the Usual.
It's the Usual.
It is the Usual, and we're gonna try a ranch water. So one of the things we always like to do is if we're gonna go hang out in the bar and ask to yank out a camera, we always try to make sure it's like not the crazy times. So if you guys are making videos and you're gonna go to bars, don't go at like Friday night, busy time.
Terrible idea. Yeah. Terrible idea.
Don't do that. Don't do that. What time is it right now?
That's 5.
Oh, it's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. And you know where that place is?
It's here at the Usual.
It's here. It's here.
Once it hits your lips, it's so good!
The first time I ever experienced the ranch water for myself, I was at a chili cook-off and looked over and saw the gentleman serving these things just drinking straight out of the bottle and looking around to make sure nobody saw it. So I walked over, caught him in the act and asked him what he was doing. He hooked me up with one. I was a fan instantly. I mean, if there's a cocktail that's representative of the state of Texas, I'd say this is the one. It's easy. Topo Chico is amazing and Mezcal is gorgeous. I think it's a wonderful blend.
Cheers to you, buddy.
Yeah, cheers, bro. Here's to the unofficial, official.
Wait, do I squeeze?
Yeah, I'm gonna. I'm nailing it.
All right, I want to. Can I?
Yeah. Man, that's a lot of.
That's way more delicious than I thought it was.
I was not anticipating this to be a delicious drink, but this was delicious.
No offense, Crayon.
No. It's weird, like with the seasoning, like super smoky. Like it tastes like a ranch in a bottle.
It's kind of like a margarita. Yeah. I don't want to get in the habit of licking bottles. Let's put it that way.
Seems very insanitary. But he did coat it with lime, which it's a well-known fact that lime is actually kills 99.9% of bacteria.
Is that real science?
No.
Wow. Ranch water. Ranch water. There you go. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching that video. Hope you loved it. If you want to leave a comment down below with cities you want us to visit in the future, or bars you want us to go to, or cocktails you want to see us talk about and hear some more historicals on them.
We like the history.
I really like the history, like hearing the origin stories of cocktails. It's really, really fun.
Yeah.
So if you guys like, leave a comment, share it with all your friends, because it's always with good food
And good drinks.
it's party.
Yeah!